Hi.
Hi.
Actually, I came here for hearing test.
Okay. Please be seated. What are your issues and complaints?
Issues like I'm not able to hear anything clearly if I'm in noisy environment. If I'm sitting in any group means I'm not able to understand anything what they're saying.
Okay.
If any sound if I am hearing means it has no clarity in it.
Okay.
So these all are my issues.
Okay. Let me check your ears first.
Okay.
I'll place two sounds near your ears. You'll have to tell me which one is sounding louder, the
Okay.
first one or the second one. Okay. First, second.
The first one is louder.
Okay. I'll place it on the forehead. Tell me in which ear it is heard.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I'll place these headphones over your ears. You will hear beep sounds like coo, like that.
Okay.
Each time you hear a beep sound, you have to press this button as a response.
Okay.
Only if you hear the beep sound, press the button. If you don't hear, don't press the button.
Okay.
Even if it is low or normal or too high, any sound, any volume, keep pressing the button. Okay? Okay. Your test is done. We will intimate you once your report is done.
Okay.